Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with our latest prize, which is the 1970 Kawasaki H1, and we're just going to show you how to start it. As you can see, it's cold, so this is a cold start, so you will see if it's a good starter or not. So just to show you again, the bike is cold on all the cylinders. The first thing you need to do is turn the ignition on, which is around here. And that's just one click to the right. Here the ignition's on. So now we need to find the fuel tap, and the fuel tap's just under the tank here. It's quite well hidden. It's tapped up right in here. And it's on the prime position, which is where we need to start. And when it's running, we can turn it to reserve or on. So here we got the start lever or trigger. And what you do is you hold this down when you're kicking, so you've got a good chance of starting. It's a bit like a choke. And if you fancy entering for this competition, it's the 28th of July and tickets are £2.99. If the video is an older video and this is gone, we've got loads of nice classics on the site, so still check it out. And if you do enter, thank you very much and good luck.